From groundbreaking innovations to ethical dilemmas, AI Watch brings you the latest in artificial intelligence and how these technologies are reshaping our world for better or possibly worse. Welcome to AI Watch. What if I told you that right now, artificial intelligence is already capable of doing your job? Maybe not all of it yet, but more than you realize. And in a few years? Well, that's what we're here to talk about today. The evidence is mounting. OpenAI just released a research agent that can do 40 hours of medium-level work in just 1 hour. Meta just laid off 3,600 employees to make room for AI talent. And experts are saying adaptation isn't optional anymore. It's adapt or get left behind. Today, we're going to look at who's most at risk, who stands to benefit, and what you can do if your career is in AI's crosshairs. Because make no mistake, AI isn't just coming for your job. It's already here. Before we dive into what's happening today, let's remember something important. This isn't the first time technology has transformed work. But there's a crucial difference this time around. In the 1800s, the Industrial Revolution replaced physical labor with machines. Farmers who had worked the land for generations watched as mechanical harvesters did the work of dozens of men. Factory workers saw their craftsmanship replaced by assembly lines. These were jobs people thought would last forever, occupations passed down through families for centuries. Fast forward to the late 20th century. Office automation eliminated millions of clerical positions that were once considered rock-solid careers. Remember typing pools? Gone. Telephone switchboard operators? Vanished. Travel agents? Decimated. Even skilled professions weren't immune. Automated diagnostic tools changed medicine, computer modeling transformed engineering, and electronic trading revolutionized finance. Each wave of technology created winners and losers. The difference today is the pace of change. What once took decades now happens in months. The jobs for life concept isn't just under threat, it's effectively extinct. Let's consider banking. In the 1980s, being a bank teller was a respected, stable career. Today, ATMs and mobile banking have reduced teller positions by over 40%. Or take manufacturing. Jobs that sustained entire communities have been automated out of existence in a single generation. What's truly different about AI, though, is that it's coming for jobs we thought were automation-proof. Jobs requiring education, judgment, and creativity, the very things we were told would keep us safe from technological unemployment. Let's look at what's happening right now. OpenAI's Deep Research agent isn't just another chatbot. It's an autonomous system that searches the web on its own, makes decisions about what to read, synthesizes information, and creates detailed reports complete with citations and charts. And industry professionals are already using it to replace work that used to take days. One professor at Wharton puts it bluntly, it's not that it's flawless. It's that it can do 40 hours of medium-level work, and it only takes an hour to check. Think about that, a week's work compressed into a single hour. Meanwhile, big tech isn't waiting. Meta just announced 3,600 layoffs specifically to redirect resources toward AI talent. Mark Zuckerberg is eliminating what he calls low performers to make room for AI specialists. And Meta isn't alone. This shift is happening across the tech industry. The economics are brutal. Companies can either pay 6 figures for human workers who need benefits, time off, and management, or spend that money on AI systems that work 24/7, never call in sick, and improve over time. So who's most vulnerable? Research from major universities and tech companies shows several categories of jobs facing immediate disruption. If your job involves gathering information, summarizing findings, and preparing reports, like market researchers, paralegals, financial analysts, or entry-level journalists, AI tools like Deep Research are already capable of doing much of your daily work. These jobs probably won't disappear entirely, but they'll require fewer people doing higher-level work. AI is already writing marketing copy, generating social media posts, and even drafting articles. Graphic designers, copywriters, and content marketers are seeing their workflows dramatically transformed. As OpenAI's CTO controversially stated, AI might eliminate creative jobs that shouldn't have been there in the first place. Executive assistants, schedulers, data entry specialists, AI is rapidly taking over routine administrative tasks. Virtual assistants that can handle email management, scheduling, and basic customer service are already being deployed by major companies. Some might find this surprising, but AI systems are increasingly capable of monitoring performance, generating reports, and even making resource allocation decisions, core functions of middle management. Companies are already flattening hierarchies with the help of AI tools. And perhaps most concerning, AI is raising the bar for entry-level positions. Tasks traditionally assigned to recent graduates, like basic research, data processing, and first drafts, are precisely what AI does best. This creates a troubling question. How will new graduates gain experience when their entry-level work is automated? While the picture may seem bleak, it's not all doom and gloom. Some professionals will undoubtedly benefit from the AI revolution, and there are patterns emerging about which roles might remain valuable. Early indicators suggest those with technical AI expertise are in high demand, but that's just one category of potential winners. There appear to be certain uniquely human capabilities that AI still struggles to replicate, but which ones will truly provide job security? And how can you leverage them in your specific field? These are critical questions we'll explore in depth in our next video. For now, know this: the landscape is shifting rapidly, and the strategies that worked for previous technological revolutions may not be sufficient. Consider this: a blacksmith in 1800 might have had decades to adapt as industrialization slowly spread. A secretary in 1980 had years to retrain as word processors became commonplace. Today, an AI breakthrough can transform an industry in months. The carriage maker who quickly pivoted to automobile parts thrived. The typist who learned word processing software survived. The travel agent who embraced online booking remained relevant. The historical pattern is clear. Those who adapt quickly to technological shifts prosper, while those who resist face increasingly limited opportunities. And with AI, adaptation needs to happen faster than ever before. But the good news is that you can position yourself on the winning side by taking action now. The question isn't whether AI will transform your industry. It's whether you'll be ready when it does. Because your job might not be eliminated entirely, but will almost certainly be transformed. And those transformations are already underway. In our next video, we'll reveal some specific adaptation strategies you need to survive AI disruption and which career paths will remain viable. You won't want to miss it. If this analysis has opened your eyes to the urgency of AI's impact, hit subscribe and the notification bell now. The workforce is transforming faster than ever before, and AI Watch is your early warning system. Thank you for watching.